Hi class, my name is Juan Rivera, and today we're going to talk about changing landscapes. And in the picture on the left you see is what happens with erosion. Yes, I know you guys are very excited to know what happens next. So let's get on with the presentation. Alright, climate weathering. What climate weathering is how we know the weather in a short period of time. So like how we look on our phones and see what happens with the weather. And on the picture on the right, you see that that is a real-time photo of the weather around the area in Phoenix, Arizona. It tells you what happens, like what the temperature, how it should be, low and highs, and then what happens, in, if it rains or not. So that's what climate weathering is. How does the erosion happen? Erosion happens when rocks and sedimentaries are picked up and moved to another place by ice, water, wind, or gravity. So pretty much when it rains on the water near a hill, the rock becomes weak. You can see in the picture right here, the rock becomes weak, so it just breaks down and falls in the water. Alright. How fault is created. A fault is a planar fracture of this continuing the volume of rock across which there was been significantly displaced as a result of rock mass movement. So it's pretty much what it talks about is how an example of this is in real time is how the salt the California San Andreas fall. You can see how long how it is from the state, and it just spreads. How glaciers affect landscape. Glacier also sculpted and engrave away the land beneath them. A glacier's weight combined with its general gradual movement can distractingly reshape the landscape over hundreds of or even thousands of years. So it's pretty much saying how, here's a picture of it on the right. It shows how glaciers, when it melts on mountains, it forms how the mountain is. So we can see how the mountain can be pointy, but then when the water melts, it makes the rock weak and then move it somewhere else. So that's how mountains are shaped. Alright, an iceberg. I think what affects land, not just land, but the ocean is an iceberg, because not only did we get, we hear the Titanic hit the iceberg, and it made us, it's a very sad feeling, but it shows that how warm the temperature get, and how important we need these icebergs. Where deserts are located. Where deserts are located, which I didn't know when I was researching it, there's the most famous one, the Sahara Desert in Africa, and we have a few in North America. Not even, yeah, in a few in North America, and they don't have to be just dirt. There's also like the Arctic deserts in Antarctica. We have a few ones in here in Australia, and we pretty much live in the desert. Coastal processes, coastal pollution and impacts. Coastland ensures ecosystems have been and still are heavily influenced by humans through population and habit loss worldwide. So it's pretty much saying how we see all these beautiful landscapes. It could happen due to not only from nature, but through human development, such as these on the side of the hill. I know this picture is not the perfect, but it shows what happens. Alright, and this is my work cited. Well, thank you, and